Hi traders, welcome. It's Mike Hamilton for Trade the Easy Way, and this week we have US rates on Wednesday and UK rates on Thursday. So these markets are buoyant, and so very little data on Monday. I will open the room, but to be honest, I'm just going to be marking up the charts. So having broken up through this resistance level, we need a pullback to last week's close, which will put us at 17,060. And you can see that's a nice little support level. I suspect it might come deeper. You can see all these moving averages are crossing through now. The 80 MA is touching the 200, and the 20 is crossing through the 100, and so on. So we're all getting a nice little twist to the upside in this market. However, we are pretty high in the daily, so it's feasible we may want to do a nice big dip just to get this market really going. And any hint of a rate rise in the run up to Wednesday, and of course a rate rise on Wednesday, changes the whole landscape. All right, so like I said, I'll be opening the room on Monday, but just marking the charts up, not necessarily looking to get involved with this market. I've been talking about the US dollar CAD for a few days now, and we have closed underneath this key area 133. If we close back above 133 this week, I think we can start to see that climbing. You can see the markets have just opened, so we've got a little blue bar sitting here, but we're just coming into the weekly 50 EMA here. That's the first time we've come in contact with that since July 2014. So I'm looking to see if some signs of US dollar strength in the first part of the week. Pound US, it's going to be broken up through this trend line, so I want to pull back to the trend line. 143, nice 80-point dip. We are tucking ourselves in under this resistance level here. It's quite a crude resistance level there. So I'll go into more detail on Monday in the Traders Round Table, not necessarily in the room. I have traded Pound Aussie Dollar last week. This is where we broke up from here in April last year. You can see how important this 191 is. So I'm keeping my powder dry on that. I did make some money on that last week, but it's gapped up because markets have opened now. Well, the forex markets have opened. So let's look at Euro. So I think we're going to see a repeat of December when we shot up, we meandered down for about 2-3+ days and then started just pushing higher again. So I think we're going to see 110, 110.50 and then possibly climb up to 112.50. All right, you can see the problem the weekly has got here. Go into a bit more detail this weekly. It's not a great chart, to be honest. At least I don't think so. We've got that little resistance up there. We've got this little support down here. I think we could spend another few months in there, and then I think we might see this start to dip and roll over. So we're definitely in for a big move on that one. Question is where? But I suspect the path of least resistance is down because we had a similar situation here, and that broke down very, very nicely. Okay, Euro Yen. I could be proved wrong, that's why I'm just taking it easy. Decent close on that one, so pull back to 125. Could see that approach 130. Now we've looked at DAX, back to the indices a second. So DAX looks like it wants to test 103.20. It's got a big problem with this 99, but if we come and hold 97.20 and run up, then that's good. Oil looks as if it needs a bit of a breather. Getting a bit toppy. It's been on a nice run, but a pullback to 37.50 could get that going. All right, so I'll see you in the morning. But I will do a lot of preparation for the Traders Roundtable, including stocks. All right, see you then. Thanks.